So I'm Tracy Washington Inger, and I work with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. And this has just been such a phenomenal event for us because we recognize that the educational space is influenced by so many people and so many things. And for us, trying to blend the physical environment and facilities with health and academics, this space is one of the few places where you can actually do that, where you get to the leaders and the stakeholders and the providers and the designers, and you can talk to them about what's important to them, what they're passionate about in terms of their products, certainly, but also their understanding of how those products impact that learning space and the way that learning goes on. And to find a place where all of that comes together is a rare and wonderful thing. And so it has been a tremendous opportunity for us to be here and to be playing in this space with these passionate leaders.
Thank you so much.